Ellie, say good morning.
A couple chores over here, okay?
Say good morning, Lucas.
Good morning. I'm doing some laundry.
Yeah, me too. Need to put all those away. Need to wash all that. Not to mention Sarah and I have a bunch of laundry too. I think it's going to be a day filled with laundry.
Yep.
Yay. Help me with the laundry?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you close that? Close it.
I got you!
Ooh. Lucas is going to do the detergent. Alright, pour it right in this one.
I know. Oh, we got those.
Okay.
Now what?
Now, press power. Express, yeah, because we got a lot of laundry to do. And then press start. Hold it. Thank you, bud.
Did you take a video of me washing the dishes?
Yep, taking a video of you washing dishes.
Oh.
And Ellie ruining the pantry.
Well, I'm doing something nice.
Thanks, Ellie. Alright, I have a long list of things to do today. One of those things is a photo shoot with Lucas. We need to get his birthday invitations out.
I'm not Lucas. I'm not Lucas.
But this isn't Lucas.
My helmet!
So we're getting this, not Lucas, ready for his photo shoot so we can send out his birthday invitations. Now I'm reorganizing the kids' room, using one of their beds to hold the backdrop for this picture. So, I'm kind of really getting into this. Lucas did a very good job during his photo shoot, so he gets a special treat. How is it?
Good.
Good? Are you playing with the trains?
Yeah.
Yeah? What does the train say? Say choo-choo! Choo-choo!
Hey, you got cool.
Here, look. Let's put this like this. There you go. Whee! Oh, look at this one.
Did you?
Choo-choo! Good job. They're magnets, yeah. Nope. Oh! We're trying to get party inspiration, right?
Yeah. This is what I'm gonna do for my real birthday party. Fight with somebody.
Okay. And they wanted to watch our videos, so we're watching ourselves on TV. Are you watching our Disney trip?
Then how did the speakers go crazy?
I have no idea. That was really weird. I think we just had like a power surge. Like all of my digital clocks are flashing. My wireless speakers, I didn't hear what they were saying because they were turned down, but they were like talking randomly and like some of the lights in the house went on and my printer turned on, and it's really weird. It wasn't a power outage. It was a surge of power, I guess. Like randomly turned on my appliances. I've never seen that happen before. That was really weird.
Yeah, but we do. What?
I think she just pooped. Sarah buckled her into the swing and then she started grunting. Let that simmer for a second.
It's grilling time.
I love this window. We have a really nice window that goes from our kitchen right to my grilling spot. So it
Pretty
makes
nice.
dishes really easy. It makes passing stuff through the kitchen to the grill really easy. I feel like this is a very nice feature. The chicken is seasoned and ready to go on the grill.
All right, I've made my carrots with my super secret, not so secret ingredient, brown sugar. They're so good.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'm a farmer.
He's a pretty piece of grass in his mouth.
Nice.
Bubba.
Ellie, I
It's
love you.
okay. That's what farmers have in their mouth.
Oh. So I was trying to figure out what to have as a side because there are some mashed potatoes in the fridge, but there's some of us that don't really want mashed potatoes or don't like them. So I found something that I'm really excited to make now. Score! These are so good. Hey Lucas,
What?
do you want to do T-ball again this year?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Was that fun last year when you played T-ball? Yeah. All right. So you want us to sign you up?
Real baseball.
Real
I can
baseball.
have black. I can have black again.
The eye black?
Yeah, the eye black.
Is that your favorite part?
Where is the eye black?
We'll probably have to buy some new eye black.
Okay.
All right, let's sign them up, I guess.
All right. Signing you up, Lucas.
When this day's over, I'm gonna play baseball. Sign me up, and then when this day's over, I gotta play baseball.
They're done and they look so good. I really hope that this chicken tastes as good as it looks, because it looks really good. And the carrots do taste as good as they look. Thank you, Sarah.
Of course.
Ellie, is it good?
The chicken tastes.
Yeah?
Star Trek. That's what this is.
What is Star Trek?
Sarah was trying to figure
Music.
out what music was playing.
It's like, I don't think this is Star Wars.
Is it Star Trek? What is Star Trek?
We'll have to show you.
What is it?
It's kind of like Star Wars, but not really.
Is it Disney? Is it at Disney World?
It is not. So
Is-
it's not as good as Star Wars because it's not Disney.
Is it at Disney World?
No. Dinner was fantastic. Now we are getting ready to go to the park for a quick pre-bedtime park run. And Lucas, show him what you're bringing. Show him what you're bringing.
Ta-da!
What is it? Our Mickey bubble wand.
From Disney
You
World.
gonna have some bubble fun? We gotta put bubbles in it though. Alright, let's go. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go on a bike ride. Bubbles, Ellie over here. Ellie.
sun is going down, so our night is coming to an end. We will see you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.